lost and what you have taken for granted. So aptly said by Rita Gautam. I, Anusha, with my co-host
Neeraj,
will take you through this farewell program. The past year has been so unprecedented and unheard of that it brought life to a standstill. We were hit by the novel coronavirus, and it seemed that God and the whole of creation had turned against us mortals. But God has been kind, and He has given us this beautiful day to assemble in the hallowed premises of the Nobly CMRI.
as I stand before you all, I feel greatly honored and sad at the same time. Honored because I have the opportunity to address my seniors, and sad because it is time to bid goodbye to all of you. We will not go into vivid details to describe how amazing seniors you have been, though considering the present scenario and the year gone by, we could not share the third floor with fun and laughter, but we have known you throughout our school years. In spite of everything, we shared an inexplicable bond, sharing loads of memories in the years gone by. You have inspired us in different ways, and your presence felt like one integrated family together. However, it is a universal truth that we all need to accept the fact that everything eventually ends, and endings are inevitable. Leaves fall, you close a book, you bid goodbye. Prayer is an integral part of our existence. We seek God's blessings in whatever we do. Let us now bow our heads in gratitude and pray to the Almighty for His bounties. The prayer will be followed by a hymn.
One more step along the world I go. One more step along the world I go. From the old things to the new. Keep me traveling along with you. And it's from the old I travel to the new. Keep me traveling along with you. The corners of the world I turn. More and more about the world I learn. All the new things that I see, you will be looking at along with me. And it's from the old I travel to the new. Keep me traveling along with you. Travel through the bad and good. Keep me traveling the way I should. Where I see no way to go, you will be telling me the way I know. And it's from the old I travel to the new. Keep me traveling along with you. Courage when the world is rough. Keep me loving though the world is tough. Live and sing in all I do. Keep me traveling along with you. And it's from the old I travel to the new. Keep me traveling along with you. Than the world can be. You are younger than the life in me. Ever old and ever new. Keep me traveling along with you. And it's from the old I travel to the new. Keep me traveling along with you. And it's from the old I travel to the new. Keep me traveling along with you. And it's from the old I travel to the new. Keep me traveling along.
this farewell program. You are very special to us, and to substantiate our emotions, we shall now welcome you through a prayer come welcome dance.
जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा, तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह। मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने, क्या बुरा है क्या भला। तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला, तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा।
नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा।
सृष्टि के जन्म से भी पहले तेरा वास था, ये जग रहे या ना रहे, रहेगी तेरी आस्था। क्या समय क्या प्रलय, दोनों में तेरी महानता महानता महानता। सीपियों की ओट में मोतियां हो जिस तरह, मेरे मन में शंकरा तू बसा है उस तरह। मुझे भरम था जो है मेरा था कभी नहीं मेरा, अर्थ क्या निरर्थ क्या जो भी है सभी तेरा। तेरे सामने है झुका मेरे सर पे हाथ रख तेरा।
नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा।
Thank you friends for the wonderful presentation. Next, let us begin with the various cultural programs specially arranged for our seniors. Now, we have three of our dear friends, Abhibhav, Arnav and Anirudh, who are going to present a beautiful song of nostalgia, remembering the golden days passed by, days of being carefree, which shall never come again in our lives.
बड़ी
The next program is going to be presented by a group of students, which is a kind of medley known popularly as lazy dance. This is a new form of dance which is full of thrill and enjoyment.
लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ, लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, इत्थे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, इत्थे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ।
से जो टूटे कोई सपना, जग सुना सुना लागे, जग सुना सुना लागे, कोई रहे ना जब अपना, जग सुना सुना लागे, जग सुना सुना।
चलो ले चले तुम्हें तारों के शहर में, धरती पे ये दुनिया हमें प्यार न करने देगी।
पर हम हैं अटके यारा, दिल भी मारे झटके हो, क्योंकि तुम हो हटके।
चलाओ ना नैनों से बाण रे, चलाओ ना नैनों से बाण रे, जान ले लो ना जान रे, जान ले लो ना जान रे।
तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी, तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी, साथ क्या निभाओगे? तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी, साथ क्या निभाओगे?
ओ बेटा जी, ओ बेटा जी, अरे ओ बाबूजी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम।
फुरकते गम मिटा जा, इश्क दा जान दिखा जा, जो मेरा रात है आजा साथ, साथ निभा जा, साथ निभा जा, ओ जो मेरा रात है आजा साथ, साथ निभा जा, साथ निभा जा।
और हमारी पार्टी हो रही है, पार्टी हो रही है।
That was so unique and creative. I am sure our seniors have thoroughly enjoyed it.
We have almost reached to the end of today's farewell program. Farewell, farewell, and may you always fare well. But even as the world like Colossus died, remember the games unfinished. Remember the warning bell. Remember the Almighty's blessings. Remember the noble Napoleon's